Hey everybody, welcome to Big Valley Living. This is Friday with JJ, and this week we're gonna make Pantry Chili. So we're coming to the end of the summertime when we can tomatoes and all of that stuff. We typically can beans and stuff later in the year because we can get them and do that. So we came to where we had like one kidney bean, one black bean, one pinto bean, and so we're going to take all this from the pantry and make a dinner. Let's go. All right, so we were canning tomato sauce the other day, and that that one didn't work out. It siphoned a little bit too bad, so we put it in the fridge, and so now this is going to play in perfectly where we're getting, cleaning out some room in the pantry. So we have tomato halves. We have tomato halves here. We have pinto beans here, chicken taco meat, which is super, super good, salsa, which we do have plenty of still, and then we have black beans and kidney beans. Over here, we have 3 tablespoons of chili powder, which, imagine this, it was at the end of the container, so we cleaned that out too. A tablespoon and a half of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika over in here. And we're gonna go get this stuff going on and make an awesome chili. All right, so I've just warmed up this pan, and we have an electric stove, so it's at like a 7. But I'm gonna put my spices in here to kind of just get them going. I'm starting with the chili powder. I'm gonna have to turn that down. I'm going to put all the rest of the different spices in here as well and kind of get them going on. Now I'm going to add the tomato juice, actually tomato sauce. I think I got that a little too warm, so you might just want to get it a little bit less. Maybe put it at a 5 if you have an electric stove. Kind of get that going into this tomato sauce. And then these are half tomatoes. Just pour it all in, juice and all. Oops, it's splattering all over. Then this is the salsa. We're just kind of dumping all this stuff in here, so.
That's a half pint.
That's a half pint, by the way. And the black beans, we're putting everything in here, the aquafaba, everything.
To help keep it thick?
To help keep it thick. A little bit of water to get that all out of there. Then this is kidney beans, which, it came out nice. And we just took and rinsed off the pinto beans and put those in there.
They had a little extra water in them, right?
Yeah, a little bit of extra water in that one, so it worked out pretty well because it was about a quart and a half instead of, or pint and a half instead of a true quart. And then this is the taco chicken meat that we made with using Jenny Goff's chicken meat. Her good Lord, I can't talk today. Her chicken taco meat. Sorry, I just cut the grass, so. Then one last thing that I didn't have in the initial, we have these in the pantry as well, so they're gonna go into the pot and maybe give this a little bit of a livelier flavor. Oh, this looks really good. It's amazing, those half tomatoes, the half tomatoes, they look all big and everything. You cook this for a little while and they'll just break down and pretty much give you just a little bit more body and a little bit more taste, but they're amazingly good. And that's it. We'll let this guy go for a while. Okay, so I'm gonna take and turn this up kind of to medium high. We'll get this going on. And yeah, it's chicken. And we'll bring it up to a boil, and then we'll take it down to where it's just got a nice rolling, not a rolling boil, a simmering boil. And okay, once this comes up to a full rolling boil, take it down to a simmer, not a simmering boil, just take it down to a simmer and let it simmer away as long as you wish. And that's how easy it is. You know, if you didn't want meat in there, you could take and put some sauteed onions in there and you'd kind of have that meaty kind of feel to it. But we had that pint of chicken taco meat, so bam, into the pot it went. If you like content like this, like, subscribe, and share, and we'll catch you on the next video. See you later, everybody. Be kind.